What is dropshipping and how does it work? You've probably seen ads that say, start your own business with zero inventory. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's basically the pitch behind dropshipping, one of the most talked about e-commerce models in the world. But what exactly is dropshipping and how does it really work? Let's break it all down. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep the products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. In other words, you're the middleman. You run the store, take the orders, and the supplier handles the product and delivery. Sounds simple? It is, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Here's how the dropshipping process works step by step. 1. You set up an online store, usually on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. 2. You list products from a supplier. This could be items from AliExpress, print-on-demand services, or specialized wholesalers. 3. A customer places an order on your website and pays you the retail price. 4. You forward the order to your supplier and pay them the wholesale price. 5. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer with your branding if available. You never see or touch the product. Your job is to manage the storefront, handle marketing, and offer customer service. What are the benefits of dropshipping? Low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory upfront. No storage worries. No need for warehouses or packing materials. Flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Wide product variety. Test and add new products easily without buying stock. Because of these perks, dropshipping is popular among new entrepreneurs and digital nomads alike. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and passive income. What are the downsides? Low profit margins. Since you are not buying in bulk, your per sale profits can be small. No control over stock. If your supplier runs out of an item, so do you. Shipping issues. Long delivery times from overseas suppliers can frustrate customers. Branding limitations. Many suppliers offer generic products with limited customization options. Customer service headaches. If something goes wrong, you're the one who has to fix it even if it wasn't your fault. So while dropshipping sounds like an easy business model, it still requires hard work, smart strategy, and constant optimization. Is dropshipping still worth it in 2025? Yes, if you approach it the right way. The days of throwing random products into a store and making quick money are mostly over. Today, successful dropshippers focus on a niche to build trust and authority. Use high-quality suppliers with fast shipping options. Invest in strong branding and customer experience. Run effective marketing campaigns using platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Google Ads. Dropshipping is no longer a shortcut to riches, but it can be a profitable online business if you treat it like one. So, what do you think? Would you try starting your own dropshipping store? If this video helped clear things up, make sure to give it a like and drop a comment below. Have you ever bought something from a dropshipping store without realizing it, or are you thinking about starting one yourself? Let us know your thoughts. And remember, this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute business or financial advice.